Hello and welcome to Olibr. Remember the late 1990s? You could freshen up and make coffee while waiting for your computer to connect to the internet. Today, websites don't take longer than 5.5 seconds to load. Thanks to modern languages like Python, Go, and Rust, and powerful web frameworks like Django, React, and Next, creating user-friendly, dynamic, and responsive websites is now a breeze. What is Django? In this blog, let's dive into the world of Django, a Python-based web framework that revolutionizes web application development. What is a Python framework? Frameworks simplify and streamline the process of creating applications. In web development, Python frameworks offer a structured base with built-in modules, libraries, and tools. Popular web applications like Instagram, YouTube, and Spotify use Python frameworks. Types of Python frameworks. Python frameworks come in three main types: 1. Full-stack framework, 2. Micro framework, 3. Asynchronous framework. Full-stack frameworks like Django provide one-stop solutions, while micro frameworks offer lightweight components for minimalistic applications. Asynchronous frameworks, leveraging Python's Essential library, handle large sets of concurrent connections. Python frameworks are also categorized based on their use, such as testing frameworks, RESTful API frameworks, GUI frameworks, data science frameworks, and more. What is Django? Django, named after the legendary jazz guitarist Django Reinhardt, is a Python-based web application framework known for its efficiency and speed. It's free, open source, and has been helping developers since 2005. Django latest releases. The latest release, Django 5.0, ensures cutting-edge features until August 2024. Django provides long-term support with its LTS versions. Database support. Django supports MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, and Oracle databases, offering flexibility to developers. Django architecture. Django follows the MVT, Model View Template, architecture, simplifying communication between data storage, web handling, and static content. Features of Django. Django is fast, secure, versatile, open source, scalable, maintainable, and portable. Top reasons to use Django. Django is written in Python, which covers a wide range of programming tasks and problems. Django has reliable documentation, which makes it easy to develop high-quality applications. Django's batteries included feature gives developers everything necessary to build a full-stack application. Django comes with 4,000+ packages that cover profiling, testing, and debugging. Django offers toolkits to help developers work on data science, AI, and machine learning projects. Django offers fintech tools to build projects for math-heavy apps like mortgage software. Django's reusable apps, tools, and features allow developers to assemble MVPs and prototypes efficiently. Django's frequent security patches and LTS versions make it a safe choice to build web apps. Django is compatible with DevOps methodology, which helps shorten life cycles while maintaining business objectives. Django's multilingual support lets developers indicate parts of an app that need translation, which helps the app reach a larger audience base. Top websites using Django. Django has powered top websites across various industries including Instagram, Pinterest, Spotify, Dropbox, and NASA. Final thoughts. In conclusion, Django is a high-level Python web framework that facilitates rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.